Hi friends, welcome to Navani's Spice Magic. Today I'll be preparing dal tadka restaurant style, simple, easy yet super delicious. Dal tadka can be prepared with either tur dal or moong dal and chana dal combined together, or even moong dal by itself. And any form, it tastes just awesome. Let's check the process. First, we need to boil the dal. So the ingredients required are this moong dal I've taken with skin. This dal fry would taste great with the skin one. So try using moong dal with skin. And I have taken 2 tablespoons of chana dal along with the moong dal. Moong dal I have taken 1 cup, but 2 tablespoons of chana dal. So we have to cook this. Either you can cook it in the cooker or you can cook it outside. I have soaked it for half an hour, so it will be easy for me to cook. So I'll be cooking it outside today. I'm not going to pressure cook it. So while cooking, I'll add a little bit of turmeric powder and salt into that. So I'll take this dal into the vessel in which I'm going to cook. So I'm going to add this dal into this. I'll add water into this. You can adjust the water accordingly. Usually it is like for 1 cup, almost 3 cups of water you will require. Turmeric powder. Little salt. I will not add complete salt here. I'll add in the later stage. I'm adding only little salt. Now I'll keep it on the stove and cook it till the dal gets cooked completely. I will cover it and I will allow it to boil. By the time our dal gets cooked completely, we will have a nice seasoning for our dal. So for that we require thinly sliced onions, chopped tomatoes. I've taken 2 small sized tomatoes, medium sized tomatoes, coriander chopped, ginger grated, green chilies chopped, garlic chopped, salt. Already we have used little salt in the dal, so I am taking little more. Garam masala powder and dhania powder. Let's see the seasoning now. First, what I am going to do is I will take little oil, fry the onions till golden brown and keep them aside. So I'll just take a little bit oil. So I'll add onions to this. Fry till they become little golden brown. This is done, so we'll just remove it into a bowl. Now to the same kadai, I'm adding little ghee. I'll add cumin seeds. I'll add green chilies. Now to this we'll add garlic chopped. Fry till garlic gets fried. Now I'll add ginger grated. Ginger should not fry for too long, just a few seconds. To this we'll add chopped tomatoes, and we shall cook these tomatoes till they get mushy and soft. We'll add little hing and little salt to speeden up the process. Now I'll add dhania powder, coriander, mix it properly. This is the dal. This is ready now. It is nicely cooked. We'll add this to the tempering. We'll add dal to this. Now we'll mix it properly and allow it, like you can add little water to the desired consistency what you want, and then cook the dal in this masala for some more time. We'll add this fried onion to this and mix it well. Today I'll show you a special roti, that is jad roti, which is very famous in Rajasthan, which tastes very great with this dal. So I'm going to show that with normal wheat atta, whatever we need for chapati, the same atta, but they prepare it in a thicker way and a little different process. I'll just show you that. So I'll just pull out a big portion of this, because this is jad roti, you need a bigger portion of the dough. So I'll just dust it in the dry flour. And roll it. So this is done. Now we'll apply little ghee over this. You can apply even oil, but ghee tastes more nice. So our roti gets more flavor along with this ghee. So we'll just spread the ghee properly all around. Sprinkle a little dry flour. Now we'll just roll this tightly. Now we'll just roll it in this way. Now again we will dust it in the dry flour. We will roll it thick. We are not going to roll it thin. It has to be thick, because this is jad roti. It has to be this thick. We will heat the tawa, but keep it on a medium flame, because this is fat, so it cooks little slowly. So we shouldn't cook it on a high flame, because it gets roasted from outside, but it doesn't cook inside. So we have to keep it on a medium flame and then fry it on both the sides. I'll just show you how to do it. Now we shall turn this. We'll allow this to fry a little bit. With the help of a butter knife, we'll just make slits over this so that it gets cooked properly even inside. Now we'll spread a little bit ghee on this side. We'll turn the other side and apply ghee this side as well. If you don't like ghee, you can apply oil, but it tastes good with ghee. So this is done. We can transfer this into a plate. Here is our healthy, super tasty and simple dal tadka restaurant style is ready to be savored with jarred roti or normal roti. You can even have it with jeera rice or even plain rice. Dal tadka is one of the basic lentil dish served in all the restaurants. It is even commonly prepared dish in most of our families. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.